Did you ever imagine that your roots in this country went back virtually to the beginning?
I've always kind of felt that was true, but now to see it is very moving to me. Very.
Actor Clint Close came to me believing that her mother's family had deep roots in the United States. But Glenn had no idea just how deep. We followed one of her maternal lines back to her 9th great-grandfather, a man named John Strong. John was born in England around 1605. When he was roughly 30 years old, he boarded a ship for the New World and ended up as one of the founding members of what became known as the First Church of Northampton, Massachusetts. Have you ever heard of First Church in Northampton? You ever been to Northampton? Ever been to Smith College?
No, I've never been to Smith.
Well, it was a Puritan church.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Puritans, of course, are perhaps best remembered for their religious severity. But they made fundamental contributions to what would become American democracy. And Glenn's ancestor, John Strong, was a prominent member of their community, both as a politician and a church leader. Moreover, he and his wife, a woman named Abigail Ford, left behind an amazing personal legacy.
Together, your ancestors, John and Abigail, had 17 children.
17?
17 children. You know, it was only a couple ways to keep warm.
Yeah. Or to get workers on your farm.
Yeah.
John and Abigail's descendants are estimated to number in the hundreds of thousands. Among them are many famous people, all cousins of Glenn's, including presidents, philanthropists, and a very notable actor.
Clint Eastwood?
Do you know Clint?
No.
He's your cousin. He is your cousin through this branch of your family. Isn't that amazing?
What could be better than that?
What could be better? You have one more cousin to whom I want to introduce you. Would you please turn the page?
Really?
You are directly related to Princess Diana.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Glenn and Diana are 8th cousins. Their nearest common ancestors are Glenn's 7th great-grandparents, Sarah and Joseph Strong. By coincidence, the two met at least once in person in 1989 when Glenn was in England promoting a film.
She was lovely.
Did you have any idea that you were related to her?
No, but look at our hairstyles. They're very much alike. Wow. It's exciting, and I'll have to think about it for a while, you know? Mm-hmm. Makes me feel stronger.
Discovering our ancestors can change our lives, helping us to understand more fully who we are, where we came from, and how we're all connected to a much larger world. To see more incredible family history stories, click here. And thank you for watching.